Hey guys, so welcome back to Comfy Cozy Up, and it is the end of NaNoWriMo for 2023. So this is what is it, 6? Project number 6, I believe. Yeah, project number 6. And again, I won in terms of getting to the 50K. This was absolutely I would say the most difficult. And again, I was not prepared. So part of it is me, because initially I wasn't sure I was gonna do it. I'm glad I did. And of course, once again, my story kind of shifted and changed. Yeah, not complaining, because I think it took me out of my comfort zone of a storyline I was going with. Of course, it's Caribbean romance, but there's also some family issue. There is some money laundering going on. There's some his past secrets pertaining to the parents. So I tapped in. It took place in New York, but it also took place in Jamaica. A lot of it did. There's some business aspect of it, so it's definitely different from what I've done in the past. And then there's a section of it that I'm at now that I am kind of like, how am I gonna navigate it, because I've never done this kind of storytelling before. But it's fun for me because, you know, gotta try. Now, I would say having the week off and being at my parents' did help me some days, because I was able to write in different location. I think for me, in the beginning, I started writing here, and then I went downstairs in my lounge area, and that helped a lot. And then of course, I was able to write one day in a coffee shop in New York. I miss the coffee shop, and I found a really nice spot that I'm definitely going to be going back to when I'm in the city. And so I was happy about that. So on the 25th is when I hit the 50K. I had a really good day. The 25th was the most I've ever written, which was 3,444, which gave me the 50K 170. So absolutely, I did write yesterday, but when I finally put the information in, it said the 27th. So it looks like I didn't write anything on the 26th, which is not true. I wrote 1,338. So that's where I'm going to go with that. But I'm going to go with whatever NaNoWriMo said. So I put it at the 27th, which is today. You guys seeing this on the 28th. So am I going to continue? Absolutely, because the story's not done. Most of the NaNoWriMos I've ever done, all of them, I've never completed. I take that back. I did complete one NaNoWriMo story the entire time, but everything else I've never done in the same day. I've had one story, which is probably still one of my favorite that I've done, that I still have never ended, and I need to revisit that one. But last year and the previous years, all of them I've been finished. I complete them at some point, usually like in December sometime. So I like this. This was a mess. I had water spill on this. I've never done that before. I'm like, what? So yeah, and I have notes and everything. So what I would say is NaNoWriMo is a thing for me, only because I am a girl that likes deadline. I like deadline. I like target date. I like you know, pressure. I kind of, sadly, I'm a person that perform better under pressure than if I have so much free time, because I would stretch that sucker and, you know, procrastinate. Could be a Libra thing. Could be a Libra thing, I don't know. But I do like pressure. I think that's why I do well in NaNoWriMo, as far as being able to write every day, knowing I have to write and get to this goal. And I hate losing. I am that person that hate losing. So for me, I'm going to do everything possible to make sure that everything goes the way I want it to go. So yeah, but other than that, I'm gonna keep going, and maybe one day one day all this NaNoWriMo things I'm doing will get some life outside of my eyes. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.